Stick with me and we'll unbox this beauty, the P38F Glacier Girl. It's from Academy. It's for 50 years, it says, since 1969. But look at that, what a beauty. Let's see what we get inside her. Well, outside that box first, let's have a look. We've got some nice pictures here of the kit itself. Just tells you it's dramatically reproduced World War II P38 Glacier Girl was abandoned on a glacier in Greenland for nearly 60 years and entombed under hundreds of feet of snow and ice. It's telling you also getting some detailed authentic markings. But yeah, what a beauty that looks to be. That side there again, it's telling you that what I've just told you there. It's got the model box number. It's telling you it's 1/48 scale here as well. And on that side it's a couple of more pictures, similar thing, but it's also got warnings telling you there in English and other languages. Telling you it's also for 14 years plus. So let's have a look inside what we've got. Well, it's a big box, but it's not exactly rammed packed. Got a little warning there to check your parts lists. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of sprues. We've got a decal set. Telling you, believe it's what the tools that come in handy to do it with, and an instruction manual. So first off, we'll go through the instruction manual. That's a colouring chart there, so we'll put that to the side. Another warning, and here's the main one. And we've got on this, just telling you what it is about everything, but it's also telling you about the Lost Squadron. It's also got the lost and found of it, when they restored it, and Glacier Girl's future. It's also telling you where she is at the moment if you ever want to go visit her. It's got a few genuine photos, but they're not, there they are, but they're not very easy to make out. It looks like she may have been on her back in the ice, but they're not very easy to make out though. There's a few more inside here. Oh, just on that bit, but I'll show you them just before we proceed. It's got one there, looks like I'm restoring it, and first flight on takeoff again when she's been fixed. Absolutely beautiful. Right, this is Academy's instructions are like this. They're a bit weird. We have to fold over and fold over, but number 1, it looks like you're starting with your cockpit, you're building your seat up and all of that. We've got here, it looks like you're putting your seat directly straight into the wing section there. And I don't think it's, no it's not fit, but it's got the instrument dials and stuff on the sides, the controls. That's in part 2. Part 3 is, it's like you're putting the undercarriage on at least one, if not both of them. You're doing at least, I think you might even be doing, yeah, a left there, it's telling you, and there's your right one as well. There's your right, sorry, left there, there's your right. So you're building up your 2 fuselage sections, because it's a double one, which is, that's the P38. And it looks like then you're assembling them to the actual wing sections. I can't see you getting any engine or anything like that by the looks, as in details there, but yep. We're on to here, we're putting the undercarriage in. Number 6, we're again small bits, telling you to cut small parts off if you're not using them, that I believe. Number 7 again, fitting more smaller parts, you're putting the canopy on, and that's it. That there's not a lot of sections actually. You're putting your guns in there. Now we've got the markings, the common markings. These are for your decals, and again on that one you've got your big ones will be going on there. Decal painting and decal placements is what they're calling all that. and then at the very end we've got a parts locating, sorry about that, we've got a parts locating diagram. There. Overall there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sprues. Simple, easy instructions. I do prefer them when they're colour, but hey, they're not. So, I've done this one. This is a painting and decal placement. It's telling you where to put your decals on that there, and obviously more to do with the colours there for the Glacier girl itself. I'll do the decals last, so I'll put them to one side. So we're now going to do the first bag, and it's a big bag, this one. It's got the main wing sections. Quite nice that they're all made together, because you'd have thought these would have come in 2 parts. Right, there is 2 sprues in this, but the first sprue we'll do is the wings. It is Sprue A. There is a dimple there already, I can see. There is one there as well. They're going to need filling, 100%, and a dimple there that will need filling. These are where they are, these locating points, and obviously it's affected the mould there. That's not to say this is a bad kit, it's just that there is 2 there. I'm looking at that side and that one doesn't seem to have it, but there's one there. I don't know if you'd see that I can see a circle for Ray, that there is coming through, but can't feel it though, so you might not see that. Yeah, just be careful with them. I'll have to remember about them, because that's another thing I tend to forget. There doesn't seem to be anything else wrong with it to what I can see, so put that to one side. Get out this one. And this one is the Sprue, and it looks like we've got some missiles here, rockets. Got internal parts here. We've got the seat sections, the floor for the seat. We've got the side instrument panels. I'm not so sure what that is. It could be a fuel tank, drop tank. We've got the propellers there. We've got wheels. Again, looks okay. I can't see too much wrong with that at all. Yeah, looks pretty good. Got some detail on the tyres. Not a lot, but it's there. And on the back is just plain, obviously, because you don't see that. Yeah. That's them 2. We'll do these 2 now. Again, 2 sprues in one bag. I prefer it when they're bagged up separately. There's less chance that sprues rub in, but a couple like these is not too bad, I suppose. Sprue D, and we have got, looks like the front sections here. Presumably these are fuel tanks, entrance bits, but I'm not sure, to be honest. And a few other small parts on D. Again, looks okay. Plastic feels nice. It's nice, smooth. It's not that bad, not bad at all. And we have gotten on this one, this is Sprue. Why can't I see it? I can't seem to see anywhere. There's no Sprue numbering on that, so you'd have to go back to the instruction manuals to see. Got lots of little detail on that there. I'm not 100% sure if it's meant to be there or not, but it is. We've gotten, these look like proper drop tanks. And one's here. Looks like your rear wing or tail section. Cockpit's got like a little roughy section there. Obviously it's meant to be, you can feel it, it's definitely been moulded that way specifically. Oh, yeah. They do feel alright. It's like that there. It feels nice, really nice plastic. Don't know if it'll need washing or not. I usually do, to be honest. It doesn't feel greasy. That's the reason why I'm not sure if it does or not. I tend to only really 100% wash them when they are greasy kits, and you do get greasy kits. We've got the clear section, we'll put that to one side because we can look at that last. The two fuselages, we've got they're both Bs, and we'll not bother with doing both of them, we'll just do this one. They look fine. We've got rivet detailings, we've got some nice sunken lines in it, looks quite good there. These panel lines do look nice actually, they are well in. They should stand out well once you get the paint on and you can get a bit of panel washing them. Yeah. There's no flash on the kit at all to what I've seen, which is nice as well because you get sick of cutting, sanding and cutting and cleaning it off sometimes. And for the last, oh there's two again, see, there's always quite a few extra sprues. Just 2-part on C, there. And this one is Sprue F, and we've got the main nose cone with the guns in, more again with the tyres. Maybe you've got different style, but we've got another cockpit front bit there, but it looks, again it's got that rough texture. Got some extra piece, I don't know what they're for, and that. There's your guns themselves, and we've got a steering column there, or control column, not steering, sorry. Somebody slapped me if they'd have heard me, I know that. You've got your control column. These could be bombs actually, these ones, because we've got the tail sections there for them. And that, oh there's the seat, I'll just show you that seat, and that looks like your control, it might be your stick itself. That looks like the end of them. It looks good actually, but that looks like last of them, so I can see. Yep, definitely no more grey ones. So we'll do the clear one. Easy. And we're looking for any marks or distortions or anything. Right, first off, this one here. And just make sure it's not going to rub off. No, there's a distortion mark there. You come off the sprue where it's connected, you go up about 3mm and there's a mark. That, I don't know whether it's on the inside or the art, but that's not good. But it'd be nice if they gave you a couple sometimes spares, but they don't. The rest seem to be fine. It's not the clearest part to look through, it's making everything a little bit blurrier than usual. I want to say it's the best clear plastic that they've got, but it would do. You would make do with that. I'll just put this one back in the bag. I always put the others in after, but I like to protect my clear parts. That's better. Right, we've got the decals to do, and then that is it. So we'll have a quick look at these. Come on, that's it. Decals. And you've only got, by the looks of it, the one paint scheme. We've got cockpit details, well the instrument panel there, got the Glacier girl, some lines there, obviously your numbers, 2 sets there. You might have 2 actually. You might, yeah, there. Oriole, I think that is. I'm not 100% sure. It looks like Oriole to me. So you might have 2, but like I say, you've got them really small ones here, really fine. It says made with a MAA. I don't know what that means. Printed in Korea, 2005. They do feel thin, which is nice. I mean, 2005 decals can, I mean, you might end up getting some bad ones from around that period, but they look nice enough. And it's the pilot name there. There's Captain Murray J. Shubin by the looks. And I'm sorry if I pronounced your name wrong or anything like that, but I'm not very good with pronunciations. So that's one nice little p38 kit. It's a very nice kit, to be honest. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing. Give us a like and a subscribe if you do. Hopefully I'll be making this one soon. It does look a very nice one. There is one little thing left at the bottom, and I didn't get to show you at the beginning. Oops, just knocked my camera, sorry about that. You just see there, it's got a little picture of it. Actually, it's a coloured picture of it upside down in the actual ice, and it says Glacier Girl can be seen at the Lost Squadron Museum at Bell County Airport in Middlesbrough, Kentucky, USA. It'd be lovely to see that if I could, but I'm from UK, so if you're an American and you can go visit, or if you're ever in America and you get a chance, looks like it'd be a lovely little aircraft to go and visit. There. Hope you've enjoyed it. Catch you later.